You may also like to watch my review of the Battle Tank playset.
This is the Micro Machines Battle Tank. When it stops rolling, the battle gets going, because it transforms into a secret military base for Micro Machines.
Real cool!
The battle begins with a direct hit. But these troops and tanks plan a counterattack and take out the bridge and a convoy of enemy vehicles. Yeah! The battle's done for today. You can pack her up and take it away. New Micro Machines Battle Tank. You put it together. Vehicles and figures sold separately.
Here's a look at the front of the box. Here's the back of the box describing the features. Be sure to watch my review of the Micro Machines Super Van City on my other channel, Stick Shift Studios. If you liked taking this trip down memory lane, watching the original Battle Tank commercial, you may also like to watch my review of this playset. What's your favorite Micro Machines playset? Leave a comment below. Have a great day.